Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm excited to introduce the Windows Server 2025 course. This will be a complete, step-by-step guide, available free on YouTube. This program has been carefully designed to serve as one of the most comprehensive, practical, and career-focused resources for mastering Windows Server 2025. Whether you are just beginning your journey in it, or aiming to progress toward an enterprise-level administrator role, then this course will guide you step by step through the entire learning process. Unlike brief overviews or purely theoretical training that often leave gaps in real-world application, this series is structured as an immersive hands-on experience. You will develop practical skills, gain real-world insights, and build the confidence required to effectively manage Windows Server 2025 in professional environments. Whether you are a complete beginner, a help desk engineer, a desktop support engineer, a system administrator, or someone preparing for interviews and career advancement, then this course is designed to support your growth and help you elevate your skill set. As the name suggests, this is a complete Windows Server 2025 course. Rather than focusing on a single feature, role, or technology, we will cover the entire Windows Server ecosystem from the ground up.
Topics included will relate to hybrid cloud integration, advanced security, Entra, Shields, storage and virtualization, Hyper-V, identity management, management tools, Windows Admin Center, PowerShell. What will be the course outcomes? By the end of this course, learners will be able to manage Windows Server 2025 across on-premises, hybrid, and cloud environments, configure identity, networking, storage, virtualization, and clustering, automate administration using PowerShell and Windows Admin Center, apply security, monitoring, and performance optimization best practices, system administration with Windows Server 2025, learning objectives, understanding Windows Server 2025 fundamentals, installing and configuring Windows Server 2025, managing Windows Server 2025 with Windows Admin Center, automating Windows Server 2025 with PowerShell, Windows Server 2025 Active Directory and Identity Management, learning objectives, setting up Active Directory in Windows Server 2025, identity management in hybrid environments, identity securing and monitoring, modernizing Active Directory environments, Windows Server 2025 network configuration, learning objectives, configuring core networking components, implementing software-defined networking, SDN, secure and monitor network traffic, configuring hybrid networks, Windows Server 2025, storage solutions and management, learning objectives, set up and configure storage spaces direct, optimize storage with deduplication and compression, manage backup and recovery solutions, deploy and manage file and object storage in hybrid environments, Windows Server 2025 security essentials for IT professionals, learning objectives, configuring secure remote access with SSHD, enabling SMB 3.x encryption for hybrid environments, onboarding servers to Azure Arc for compliance, enabling and managing Microsoft Defender for endpoint in hybrid environments, Windows Server 2025 virtualization and Hyper-V, learning objectives, set up and configure Hyper-V on Windows Server 2025, manage virtual machines and virtual networks, understand containerization with Windows Server, implement disaster recovery and high availability for virtual environments, Windows Server 2025 high availability and clustering, learning objectives, configuring failover clustering, configuring network load balancing, implementing multi-site clustering, analyzing and updating clusters, Windows Server 2025 monitoring and performance optimization, learning objectives, monitor server health and resource utilization, optimize performance using logs, counters, and diagnostics. Implement proactive monitoring and alerting. Troubleshoot bottlenecks and improve reliability. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for complete course.